here from Green Rhino. So we're back at the Beautiful Winery to do the upholstery, and I'll switch it around, let you see what I'm doing. Well, actually, what we're doing, me and Aaron today. So we're doing all these. We're using carpet detail. We're also going to put green guard on there. It's a carpet. It's a fabric protector. Carpet protector. Kind of like a Scotch guard, but it's green safe. Pretty soiled on the bottom part. So we did these last year, and look, we got a friendly house right there. You're gonna have to go, buddy. Eviction time. You gotta go, bud. Interesting, huh? Well, I'm pretty sure he's gonna make his way back there, but we'll chase him out again. That's what you get when you're in the middle of a winery. So we got all of our hoses ran, and we're doing the cleaning on top of the tables. So we got the covers there. So yeah, it's gonna be teamwork. Aaron's gonna be spraying and scrubbing, and I'm gonna be extracting. All right. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got the 20 volume here for any wine spills, because this is a winery. Also have the Proxy spray and walk away for anything that doesn't come up. Just a little bit more, got a little bit more of a kick to it. All this stuff is safe for these products, this upholstery, so we've done it before, and our Scotch guard is actually in our pre-spray. You can do that with green guard, so it takes a whole step out of it, guys. I mean, if you haven't learned about that one yet, you're gonna love it. Anyway, we're gonna keep cleaning. Stay tuned. All right, so these are all done here. Done all these chairs. We're doing all the cushions we can remove first, and then we're gonna go ahead and do all this stuff. So just walking back over here and doing a double check and make sure we got all the spots. This thing did really well because we did do a protection on it last time, so there's not many. A lot less than last time, and so that didn't come up. All right, so I'm thinking that's red wine. Or a white one. I'll let that sit. Yep. That's it, so hopefully that disappears it. If not, it is what it is, but I'm pretty sure it will. Alright, I'm going to knock these rest of these little throw pillows down. Set down. I just dropped my GoPro. The wind blew it over. Actually, I didn't drop it. The wind blew it over. But seems to be working still. A little banged up, but hey, so am I. I'm still working. All right, so we cleaned this chair, the first one I did, and there is a lot of wine stains. So we made sure we cleaned it as good as we could. Made sure it is wine. If it didn't disappear with the cleaning, it's definitely a stain. So we'll go through here and we're going to treat all this with spray and walk away type stuff. And we'll do another walkthrough when we're done, and hopefully everything kind of tightened up. All right. Okay, so we're all done. Chairs came out a lot better. Not brand new, but they're not brand new, but came out a lot better. These last 3 chairs were the worst shape, and I remember last time we were here, it was the same problem. So these were more people sit in this area. So what I'm going to do now is these areas like this, we went over 2-3 times. They are stained, so we're going to do some post spray. And just let it sit, and hopefully it disappears. So I already talked to the manager and let her know that some of this stuff is stained up. Prior to the first time we did this job, there was already stains. So all we're doing is now is pretty much working on the spots and stains that probably had been there before we started, but they were definitely a lot cleaner. Stains, the wine, majority of the wine came up with the cleaning. That means that our protection did work. That we added last time. That's the whole point of it. It's not going to prevent it from staining, but the staining will be easier to remove when you're done. Next time you clean them. They drink a lot of white wine here. Must be one of their top wines, Cabernet or whatever. I don't even know if Cabernet is white wine. I don't drink wine too often. So. All right, all finished up. I'm gonna call it a wrap. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. You know the routine. Be good.